Hello and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. My name is Audra, and for today's video we are going to be doing the trending viral I'm cold look. This is the finished look here. More of a matte skin, a little bit of like snowy wintry sparkle on the eyes, and lots of bright blush. So I had so much fun recreating this look, trying this trend and making it my own. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna start with a layer of foundation. I'm gonna use the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation because from what I see, it's kind of like, you know, the winter is dry, your skin's drier, so it's supposed to look a little bit more flat versus like really glowy and like summery. So that's why I'm gonna be using a matte foundation. I have this in shade Salzburg. I just put a little on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna use this brush. Ooh, that's pretty full coverage. I haven't used this in a while. This brush is just a cosmetics brush. I'm pretty sure they still have this exact brush, but mine's super old. Just gonna like lightly fill my brows in just to give them a little bit more thickness and like depth, but still keeping it pretty natural. And I'm just gonna keep them in place with the Brow Fix Clear Brow Gel from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just gonna add a little bit of bronzer just to add a little bit like of warmth to my face. I don't wanna look, you know, like dead. I wanna look cold, but I don't wanna look, you know, lifeless. So even though sometimes in the winter you feel a little lifeless, so I'm just like lightly dusting it just so I have a little bit of definition and warmth. I'm gonna take this Revlon So Fierce palette, I have it in Tantrum, and use this really shimmery white color at the top. Take some of my finger and pop it on the lid for a little frosty white eye. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit too. I'm gonna do a really thin line of liner. I'm gonna use the Glossier Pro Tip and just do the teeniest wing. Okay, and then I'm gonna curl the lashes, put a little mascara on. This is the Ilia Fullest Volumizing Mascara. I want some volume in my lashes, so that's why I chose this one. So I put some mascara on the bottom, and now I'm just grabbing the ends because I don't want like that much mascara on the bottom. I just kind of using it as almost like an eyeliner. So applying some and then just taking off at the ends so it looks more natural. I think I'm gonna add one more shade to the eyes just to make it a little bit more like glistening, not so much just like flat shimmer. And if you watch my videos, you know I love this Charlotte Tilbury palette. So I'm gonna grab this shade here towards the top. It's more of like a pinky shimmer. And I'm just gonna add a little bit to the lid over everything because I just feel like it's more like, it looks a little bit more glossy. I don't know if you can see the difference, but this gives me more wintry vibes. Plus I wanted some of that shimmer to like go over the eyeliner a little bit. Okay, and this is where the look now transforms into the actual like I'm cold look. It's all about the blush for this look. So it was kind of hard to like pick which blush I wanted to do, but my brightest blush is this Benefit Krista blush. So I think I'll just try this, and I like that it's powder. I feel like it's just gonna blend the easiest on top of my like matte foundation right now. And the key is to apply a lot of blush and apply it not only like on the cheeks but also on the tip of the nose to look like you have a little cold little nose. And I've even seen some people put it a little bit on the chin too, so we'll see how it's looking. But I'm just gonna take my blush brush and start going for it. I am tapping it off a little bit on my hand too, just because this is such like bright pigmented blush. So I want to have a little bit of control over it and layer it rather than apply like a big spot of it and then there's no going back from there. This blush does have a little bit of shimmer in it, so definitely not sticking completely to my matte skin, but and then I'm gonna do kind of that W with it and go up on my nose. I feel like I went a little low, so I'm just taking my foundation brush and just blending upwards, kind of blending it into my foundation a little bit. Get it more seamless. And I'm gonna do on the tip of the nose. That's so cute. And I'm gonna do a little bit going up here too. I just feel like it's needed. I feel like this is the perfect shade. I almost didn't use this color. I thought maybe it was too pink or something. I thought maybe I'd go with something a little bit more orangey pink. But I think this is like perfect for that look. I'm just adding layers until I feel like I'm satisfied with how chilly I look. And then a little bit on the chin. I don't think I've ever put blush on my chin in my life. I think that's so cute. I think it's just super like sweet. I don't know. I just want to like make some hot cocoa now and warm up next to a fireplace. Okay, now for the lips, we want them to be nice and glossy and be like more of a stain looking look. I'm thinking I'm going to use the Go-Go tint from Benefit. I feel like that's going to give me the kind of look that I want since it's a stain. I'm not going to line my lips at all. I want most of the color to be like on the inside. I'm just going to make sure I don't have like any makeup on them at all. And put this on the inside. And I'll blend that out with my finger. Okay, like that's a perfect color. It's a little bit of like an ombre, like the outside is a little lighter than the inside. Bottom lip, I think I could have kept it a little tighter to the inside, but it kind of got like far out and now it's literally staying down there. So but still a really pretty color. I feel like it goes perfectly with the blush. And then I'm going to use the Glossier, it's just a clear lip gloss, and go over that. Just like that. I'm adding one more layer. And now we gotta see the full effect. How did I do? I never know if I should wear this hat like this or like this. What do we think? I feel like I like it more down. I feel like one of those little toads from like Mario with this on. But that is the finished look. That was so fun to recreate, to do something a little bit different, to try my hand at a trend like this. So definitely let me know how you think I did down in the comments below, and let me know if you're gonna try out this trend this winter. I think it's super cute, super fun. But don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time for another new video. Bye!